Are you tired of relying solely on your 9 to 5 job to earn money? What if I told you that you could start building wealth with multiple streams of income? You're not alone if you think the idea sounds too good to be true. But trust me, millionaires don't get there by relying on just one income source. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 income streams every investor should aim for to grow their wealth. By the end, you'll understand how you can start diversifying your income and work towards financial independence. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. 1. Real estate syndications. Real estate investing has always been a reliable way to grow wealth, but not everyone has the capital to buy property outright. That's where real estate syndications come in. This type of investment allows you to pool money with other investors to purchase large commercial or multifamily properties. Why is this a great income stream? Well, syndications provide passive income, which means you can earn money while you sleep. Typically, these investments run for about 5 years and offer annual returns of around 8%. On top of that, when the property is sold, investors often receive lump sum payouts ranging from 30% to 50%. Imagine investing $10,000 into a real estate syndication that gives you an 8% return each year over the 5-year period. That could turn into $14,000 or more, depending on the property's performance. With minimal effort on your part, this could double your money, making it one of the most powerful ways to build wealth without actively managing real estate. But here's the thing. While all investments carry some risk, real estate syndications tend to be safer than other forms of real estate investing. Because you're pooling resources with a group of investors, the risk is spread out. Additionally, these properties are often managed by experienced professionals, making a hands-off investment option for you. Over time, as the real estate market appreciates, you may see even higher returns, especially if you're involved in high-demand areas. If you're looking for a way to get into real estate investing without the headaches of being a landlord, syndications could be your ticket. You'll gain exposure to the real estate market, earn passive income, and benefit from property appreciation, all without worrying about maintenance or tenants. 2. Investment income. Next up, let's talk about investment income, which is one of the simplest and most reliable ways to grow your wealth. This can include dividends from stocks, bonds, or even peer-to-peer lending. The key here is to invest in income-generating assets, allowing your money to work for you instead of you working for your money. How does this work? Let's say you invest in a dividend-paying stock like McDonald's. As the company earns profits, they distribute a portion of that profit to their shareholders. That means every quarter you get a payout, even though you're not doing any extra work. While this may not bring in life-changing amounts of money up front, over time, with consistent investing, it can create a reliable stream of passive income. It's important to diversify your investments, ensuring that you're not relying on just one source of income. Stocks, bonds, and even CDs, certificates of deposit, can all provide you with consistent income as part of a broader, diversified portfolio. As you build your portfolio, the income you receive will grow. This income can be reinvested to purchase additional shares, creating a snowball effect. Eventually, as you continue to grow your investments, you'll notice that the amount of income you're receiving increases year after year. This gradual growth is one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies. What's more, the stock market has historically provided solid long-term returns, and by strategically investing in a mix of equities, bonds, and dividend-paying companies, you can build a well-rounded income stream that not only pays you today, but also appreciates in value for years to come. 3. Business income. Business income is the third income stream that every investor should consider. You don't have to quit your day job to start a side hustle or a business. A simple side gig or passion project can become a powerful source of income over time. Why is it so effective? Many millionaires have built their wealth through side businesses. Imagine you're a software developer who creates a game or app in your spare time. That app could generate $100 per day in passive income. That's $3,000 a month for doing something you love. Starting a business doesn't always require significant upfront investment either. With the rise of the gig economy, you can leverage your skills and knowledge to generate additional income. Whether it's selling products, offering services, or creating digital content, business income gives you the freedom to grow your wealth while working on your own terms. Not only can a side business provide you with extra cash, but it also has the potential to grow into a full-time, lucrative income stream. Many successful businesses started as side projects. As you reinvest your profits back into the business, you can scale it and watch your wealth grow. Moreover, running your own business offers tax advantages. You can deduct business-related expenses and contribute to retirement accounts designed for business owners, allowing you to save money in more efficient ways. With the right strategy and mindset, business income could turn into your most profitable income stream. For royalties and licensing. Royalties and licensing are another fantastic way to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. This can be one of the most passive forms of income, especially for creators or innovators. What does this mean for you? If you create a product, idea, or even a piece of content, you can license it to companies or other individuals. For example, if you invent a new gadget, you could license a design to a manufacturer and earn a percentage of each sale. If you're a musician, songwriter, or YouTuber, you can also earn royalties every time your content is streamed, sold, or used by others. Why should you aim for this income stream? The beauty of royalties is that once the work is done, the income continues to flow in. Whether it's a song, a patented product, or a YouTube video, the potential for continuous income is there. Some individuals even make a living off royalties alone, thanks to the passive nature of this income stream. If you create something that people love, there's potential for long-term income through licensing deals. Your content, product, or idea could be used by others to generate profits, and you receive compensation for that usage. Whether the book you wrote or a piece of software you developed, royalties allow you to continue earning money for years, long after the original work was completed. 5. Renting out your car. Renting out your car may not be the first income stream you think of, but it's gaining traction as a side business for many people. With services like Turo, you can rent out your car to others when you're not using it, turning your vehicle into a money-making asset. How does this work? Say you have a car that's mostly parked in your driveway. By listing it on Turo, you can rent it out to people who need a car for a day, a week, or even longer. Some people have even built fleets of rental cars and turned it into a full-time business. Why is this a great income stream? First, it's an easy way to make money from something you already own. Second, it's relatively low maintenance compared to other types of investments. Unlike traditional property rentals, where you have to deal with tenants and upkeep, renting out a car is much simpler. All you need is a clean, well-maintained vehicle and a good listing. The more you rent it out, the more money you can make. Additionally, you have the freedom to set your own pricing, adjust for demand, and decide when your car is available. With cars in high demand due to shortages or travel trends, renting out your vehicle can be an easy, hands-off way to generate income. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make extra money without doing much work. So, there you have it. The top 5 income streams every investor should aim for. Whether you start small with a side hustle or jump straight into real estate syndications, each of these options can help you build wealth over time. The key is to start early and diversify your income sources so you're not dependent on just one. If you found this video helpful and are ready to take the next step towards financial freedom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies. Remember, wealth building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Start investing today and let time work its magic. Thanks for watching. I shall catch you in the next video.